Hello and welcome to the Salad Lab, where we're making 30 celebrity salads paired with 30 wines for 30 days. Today we're doing the other Kardashian favorite, the Health Nut Chef Salad. Start out with torn romaine and iceberg, pulled chicken, tomatoes, mozzarella, bean sprouts, sunflower seeds, and sometimes they order it with avocado, so of course I'm putting avocado in it. And the dressing is their house dressing. It's a favorite. We can't forget the Kardashian shake. And I'm serving it with Sofia Coppola's Blanc de Blanc Sparkling. Enjoy.